Boom! Coming to you live from this little bar right here, my friends. Listen to some Roger Ridley. Hanging out with John Tiger. What's up, my friend?
What's going on, buddy?
All right, chilling right here like a villain, and I hit a click, click. Click, click, click. Oh, yeah! That's what I'm talking about. How you doing, baby? Baby, hit that massage, baby. I've been getting here chilling like a villain, getting a massage, my friends. But I told these ladies that if I can come back with a camera and hang out for an hour, I'm gonna buy everybody Jollibee and a drink, maybe 2 drinks. But let me show you some beautiful ladies. Hold on, my friends. Hold on. Let me show you some beautiful ladies. Click, click, click. God, one of them she's elusive, like a cat. She's quick. But look at this beautiful girl right here. Baby, can you say hello? Can you say hello to YouTube? Look at this beautiful lady right here. Oh my goodness. That's all I can say. Oh my goodness. And I got a beautiful lady in here in the street. Alright, folks. I want to thank everybody for joining me on this video. It's a little quick video, but I told these ladies, look, if they're down with getting on camera, and there's no scandal going on here. All we're doing is listening to some good music. We're drinking beer, and they want Jollibee, but I said there's no Jollibee for free, because I'm in the entertainment business. I'm from Hollywood. That's the way it is. So when I told them I was gonna buy a Jollibee, they don't believe me, and then one disappeared. She didn't want to be on camera. Folks, fucked up with my man John Tiger. Boom, Panes. We going to Tequila Reef next, my friends. Thank you for joining me. If you're not a subscriber, bottom right hand corner of your screen, right over there, hit that Overstay Road sign, become a subscriber. I'm going to change your life, my friends. Peace out.